Hey, stop painting flat cartoonish trees. Today I'm going to show you how to use simple acrylic layers to create a tree. Let's start. So, we're gonna use some colors like black, brown, yellow, white, sap green, light green if required. Let's take the black color. We're gonna use it for making base layer for the tree. Just draw the whole tree as a base layer with the black color. Just wash your brush with the water, and now we will take the brown color and add some black color also in it, just like this. You can make it darker and use it on the one side. Just decide which side you wanna show that the light is coming and other side is darker. Now let's just take brown color but with a light shade. Similarly, apply the light color on the light side, where from which side the light is coming. Add it more light with a yellow and give it more light, just like this. Apply it on one side of the trunk. You can create a light and shadow effect. Now let's take the sap green color. We will use the darker shade of the sap green, as we wanna use it for the base layer of the leaves. Just apply this darker sap green color or black color, just like this, as the base layer of as the shadows of the leaves we wanna show. This will create a more realistic effect to the tree. Now use a lighter sap green color. Just by adding layers of lighter and lighter and lighter, we can create a realistic effect in our acrylic painting tree. Now we're gonna use yellow and sap green color to get more lighter shade to the leaves. Now we will give more lighter shade to the leaves, just like this. It will creating a more effect, a shadow effect, a depth in the painting a tree. We're gonna use a lighter layer of sap green by adding a white color also. Just apply it randomly on a side where you wanna show that the light is coming. Just apply this layer with the brush or tip of the brush, just like this. Just left some darker areas for the shadows. It will create the realism in the tree. Just see how these simple steps make a tree look realistic. So stop painting cartoonish and flat trees. Try this acrylic painting ideas. Follow for more and stay tuned for more. Thank you.